Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. I'm going to revisit this Brillo Basics all-purpose cleaner fresh pine scent. The one I had before was the ready-to-use spray, and I had mixed up some mop water with that. Had a comment that since that was ready-to-use spray, that's why it didn't cloud up. Well, here's the regular bottle. In all appearances, it looks exactly the same as the ready-to-spray bottle. Here's a look at the directions. Made in Turkey. Innovative brands. It does contain pine oil, but I am unaware of how much. Maybe if I can find that, I can put that in the description. Well, let's go over to the cloud cam and see what's going on over there. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it, it's all the same. I see some suds, but I don't see any clouds, so that busts that theory right away. Do see a slight sheen of oil on the top, so it does have pine oil. Well, let's go back over to the floor cam and get started. As usual, I'll go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between rounds. Let's get started. Round 1. And that seems to have done a nice job. While it does have a traditional pine scent, it's not very strong, but it looks like it makes up for it in the way it cleans. Lots of suds, already got a little bit of dirt in the water. Round 2. And that job is completed. A little piece of extra carpet there. Yep, it whipped up plenty of suds, and the water is darker than it was, so that tells me it pulled some dirt out of the floor. And here's a look at the water after. Quite a bit darker than it was. So once again, cleaning the floor with Brillo Basics all-purpose cleaner fresh pine scent. Thank you for watching.